Hey, what's up guys? I still Chukwuka Obeleagu. Welcome to another awesome video. Today I want to give you guys an update on Tbc009 wallet, the TBC wallet or the Billion Coin wallet. Okay. We are told that the wallet will be back online the end of business or the end of day, yesterday being Wednesday. And today is Thursday, and by my time is 9:18 West African time. Okay, so let's check the wallet and see if it's back online. Okay, so still the same thing, no update. Last update was on the 14th, which we were told that the wallet will be back online later than end of day Wednesday. And Wednesday is past and yet no update. I checked the blog. As at the time of recording this video, the private blog of TBC, there is no update concerning the wallet being back. So that leaves me and a lot of people like pissed off and anxious and worried as to why the delay. Okay, why the delay? Why is it taking so long? Going to 3 weeks and the wallet is offline. Every day we've been given promise of issues being resolved, and yet each time we are promised that the wallet will be back online, it still remains offline. Okay. Anyway, this is part of the reason why I'm doing what I'm currently doing with the Tbc009 Swap, so that people can move from the TBC ecosystem, well, the Billion Coin ecosystem, okay, and join the TST ecosystem, to join the market-based cryptocurrency where things like this don't rarely happen. Okay, you don't see Trust Wallet going offline for 3 weeks. You don't see MetaMask wallet or IM token wallet or any wallet at all going offline for if there is any issue, it gets resolved and proper update that is, that is backed with correct information as to when the site will be back online will be provided. But here we're still facing the same issue. So guys, if you are still waiting for this, and that's the main reason you want to get TST, well, the wallet is still offline, but what you can do is take advantage of our reward program, okay, where you can buy $5 TST and you get $1 TST extra. You can even buy as high as $100 TST and get $20 TST extra as your reward. Okay, that puts you at instant profit. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply contact me. My contact information is in the description below, so that you can be able to buy TST with cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum while waiting for Tbc009 wallet to come back online. Okay. Also, you can also focus on the the Bitcoin bounty on your Kringle Cash account, but you know that part of the incentive is that you receive about 100 TBC for paying admin fee. So when you don't have the wallet being available, people don't really hurry or rush to go and pay admin fee, because why would they pay admin fee when the wallet is still offline? Okay. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you have an update as to why the wallet is still offline, please contact me and let me know, or you can drop your comment in the comment section. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.